Want to create a custom Windows Start menu with OpenShell? Whether you're looking for a classic layout or a personalized menu with quick access to your favorite apps and folders, OpenShell gives you the tools to customize it your way. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to create a custom Start menu with OpenShell in 2026. First, open the Start menu and launch OpenShell menu settings. If you're using the basic view, enable Show All settings to unlock every customization option. Next, choose the Start menu style you want to use. You can select a classic single-column layout, a two-column layout, or a Windows 7 style menu. Apply your selection to use it as the foundation for your custom Start menu. Now open the Customize Start menu section. Yeah, here you can add new shortcuts, remove items you don't use, rearrange menu entries, and organize folders so your most important tools are easier to access. Next, open the Skin and Start button sections. You can change the menu theme, adjust visual settings, and even replace the Start button with one of the built-in options or a custom image. Now review the behavior settings. You can customize how the search feature works, choose what happens when you click the Start button, and adjust menu animations or other navigation options to match your preferences. Finally, click OK or Apply to save your changes, then open the Start menu to test your custom layout. If you want to make additional improvements, simply return to OpenShell menu settings and continue refining your design. And that's how to create a custom Start menu with OpenShell in 2026. With a personalized layout, appearance, and menu behavior, you can make Windows more efficient and enjoyable to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.